Hello YouTube, friends and family, haters. Here's our latest adventure. We are on my hometown of Honolulu, Hawaii, and we're gonna do the Koko Crater Trail. Pretty advanced, pretty hard.
This is my first hike in Hawaii, so we'll see how it goes. Excited to see all the plants.
Here we go. Here's the beginning of the trail, and you go straight down. We in the jungle, baby.
It's already wet.
Queen.
I don't know what this is, but it looks like a little baby orchid, wild orchid. They don't normally grow like this, but nice shape, pretty. Look how nice. I love these. They grow in such a weird formation, like a fir, an evergreen tree. Very pretty.
More ropes, Hawaiian experience, a real Hawaiian hike.
I don't know. Can't really see over too much.
We made it to waterfall number 2. Oops. Vertical.
Yeah. Oh.
Right here, fresh guava right off the land, right off the Aina.
Looks like a lemon.
All right, let's sample.
Oh, it's hard. How do you open it?
Another half a waterfall to climb. Wow, it comes down.
Ow. Wow.
Yeah, just a lot of vertical climbing up. We're gonna be going all the way up the mud onto the peak over there. But yeah, challenging hike. All right, we're almost to the top. A little more ropes section. That's the top. Come a long way. Traversed this whole valley and climbed all the way up to the waterfalls up to here. Climbing the ridge. Woo! It's hot up here. No cover. There's a nice breeze. It's been about 3 hours. We're nearing the top. It's tight. Tight. Oh!
Who found this? Oh, juicy berry. Yum. Just seedy. Made it. Disgusting. We didn't bring enough water for usual. I'll lay down for a whole hour and enjoy this breeze.
Here's my classic McDonald's breakfast. Made it all the way up to the top. I'm surprised it's still in shape. Was it worth it? No.
Because I had to carry it the whole way. Not gonna lie, this hike is pretty hard. Probably like top 5 hardest hikes I've ever done. I think it's like a constant incline for the second half of the waterfalls, and then to get to the top, the ropes are pretty tough. You have to put in that extra effort to get up there, but it's totally worth it. Glad that we made it.
Very challenging hike. I haven't done this in about 8 years. I'm getting fatter. So it's getting tougher. I noticed more fat around my belly, and I'm very thirsty coming on the way up, dying. But this is a hike I do once a decade. It's nice, very challenging. It's fun to climb up the ropes, a lot of waterfalls, enjoyed that, and it's a nice view at the top.
Ta-da!
We made it back to the car. Here's the damage, muddy, scratched up, beaten up. Oh my gosh, swollen. Yeah, tough hike. Go, go, go.